My name is Varadarajan, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, SNS College of Technology. So today we are going to discuss about our core engineering branch, mechanical engineering. In that, workshop practices laboratory is a very important laboratory for first year students, because there are a lot of day-to-day life skills which is going to be deal with this particular laboratory. So today our students they are going to discuss about the particular life skill topic, which is name is welding. Okay. So here our students' name, I will introduce my students: Shashmita and Sri Darshini, Vishnudev and Sujit. So they are in first year computer science department. So they are going to deal about the welding, discuss about the welding process. Yes, start.
Let me introduce the introduction of welding. Welding is the process of joining two metal pieces, which includes similar or dissimilar metals or thermoplastics, in which two metal pieces are taken and the edges of metal pieces are heated and then they are welded, in which there are different types of welding: arc welding, gas welding and resistance welding, or MIG welding. In arc welding we use heat to weld the metal pieces. In gas welding we use oxo-acetylene to gases to heat the metal pieces, in which the process of arc welding includes first that we prepare the metal pieces and weld the metal pieces and join them, and then they are cooled and the metal pieces are heat ready.
Now let me talk about the empathy of welding, understanding the welder's experiences. First, they are working for several hours, so that causes the discomfort for them, and also they uses the heavy metals for their work, and also it causes the vision problem.
Define pinpointing the core problem in welding. Welders may suffer a lot of problems during welding because the arc which comes from welding may affect the welder's eyes, and it may cause some physical problems and mental problems too, etc.
And now let me talk about the advantages of welding. It is used to join two metals. It is suitable for all kind of metals. But the disadvantages is that it requires only the skilled labor. And also it is risk for the eyes, and also it causes for the damage for the health issues.
Applications of welding. Day-to-day life, welding is very necessary because welding is used in every places, mainly in industries where many mechanical tools and machines where the welding process is very necessary, and in household products also welding is very necessary.
Ideate. Brainstorming creative solutions for this. Even though that we use several safety measures like goggles and also apron, it causes the health issues. Now let us talk about the comfort helmets. The comfort helmet make the welders to stay cool.
Empathy. Understand welders' real challenges which may affect the welders physically and mentally. Welders may suffer a lot during welding, which they affect their vision, so that we need to use the necessary tools which may protect the welders from such problems, like goggles or gloves, so that the safety measures should be very necessary during welding process.
If you share any other points, if you want to add upon this discussion, you can add.
Summary. Welding is very necessary in day-to-day life, so that during welding we should follow the necessary steps or safety measures. We should use the tools which are necessary for welding should be very proper, and they should be cleaned so that it may not cause any effect to humans.
Thank you students for your contribution. The particular DT based discussion about the welding process. Shashmita and Sri Darshini and they are having a good discussion about the particular DT based, design thinking based discussion. So here we are, they are sharing their views in all perspective, particularly DT framework. So it will be very wonderful experience. Thank you, students.